Well, I've been having fuel delivery issues with this truck since I got it. So I'm just going to do the right thing here and ignore that and work on the exhaust. When I got the truck, it originally came with these beautiful pieces, Dynamax turbo mufflers, and they sounded like an exhaust leak. So I swapped them out and I still don't like it. Now I have these, excuse the wind, and they still sound like an exhaust leak, so we're gonna try and fix that right now. Professional welding right there. This is what I plan to put on. They're MagnaFlow Rumble. Hopefully they'll sound a little better. You can tell it's a good quality muffler when you shake it, and you can see stuff coming out of it. So the first step is to get the old one off. Precision. And it's the wrong size. Of course. Hey brain, is it 9/16 or ½ inch? You should bring both. Ah, it's ½ inch. 9/16. Those are tight, but who the hell tightened these? Okay, I'm gonna need both hands for that. Righty loosey, lefty tighty. I think I had it backwards, but one step further. Now just that clamp. Of course, these clamps always bend the crap out of these, so you can't get them out. So I brought backup just in case I can't get this. That's my just in case box. Ew, growth. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the just in case option. Today just wasn't your day, cherry bomb muffler. Take two. Same thing, different side. I don't know if you want to watch it. Probably not. Just a muffler bracket. I didn't do it, but I like it. But I also cut it. Be with your friend. Nobody wants you, cherry bomb. Now comes the welding. Something like, I don't know, like that. No, that's out. So, inlet, reducer, 2 1/4, 2-inch inside diameter. Clamp it on, easy peasy. Just one little bird crap weld and we'll be good. Now you want to leave the stickers and the paint on for dramatic effect. Looking good. If there's no smoke, are you even welding? And I'm what they call a fume huffer. I'm new, so I stick my face right up in it. But don't worry, I'm wearing a respirator. Yeah, fire's good too. It's like I always say, it ain't my muffler. Quality welds. Quality welds. Lefty welding. Oh, that's nice. I'm a real good welder. I just wish you guys could be here and smell this with me. It's really nice. Reminds me of home. I gotta work on tailpipe arrangements, and I could probably use this pipe bender and bend something up, but I'm just gonna use these old burnt pipes from a car that was in a fire. I think they'll be excellent. Uh-oh, this is upside down. Okay, so now just grab the wrong piece. Insert. Okay, see. That tip is way too far out. We could come back quite a ways. It's sticking out quite a bit past the tire. I mean, it could look cool. Well, this side is a different story. It's flush with the dent. I don't know if these dents are messing with me. Couldn't be. But I think this side looks pretty good. So I could just butt weld that, clamp it, call it a day on this side. Oh yeah. I can adjust my settings, but this is more fun. Oh man, I got way more weld to go. Put another lefty. Getting hot. Not fun anymore. Ooh. I got a little gap here. That's my issue. Little bridges. That's how I handle it. Oh God. A little uphill action. Oh yeah. We'll just come back to this. Exciting stuff. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, pretty sure my daughter could do better, but she's smart. Yeah, you really just want to rub your new chrome exhaust tip all over the welding BBs and crap on your workbench. Really scratch it up before you put it on. Got them on. It don't look good, but heck, nothing I ever do really does. But it's gonna sound good. The benefit of having a shop is you can leave the mess and deal with it, you know, never, I guess. Yeah, we'll just close this up. Yep. Man, this truck sounds good. I wonder whose it is. Oh, it's mine. Of course. Man, I really wish whoever owned this dang shop would clean it up. Disgusting. Okay, so we'll do a sound check. My Potato Vision camera is messing with me, so I'm going to try and do it the old-fashioned way with the phone. I hope the mic picks that up well enough. See if I can give it a rev or two. Pointing in the right direction, maybe? Here's my finger. My neighbors are gonna love me. It's not loud at all. It's pretty loud. They're gonna hate me. Well, I done messed up and clicked the angry button. Now my computer's angry. Dang it. I'm just gonna finish editing this video with this extremely dusty laptop. It's pretty gross. Thanks for watching. Here, listen to me chew some gum.